Hello, welcome to my lecture. In this lecture, I am going to discuss some solid state problems regarding contribution of atoms and a simplest formula of unit cells. Here, there is a question I am taking. If a unit cell is occupied by atoms A at corners and B at face centers and C atoms at edge centers, what is the simplest formula of unit cell? Here, first we have to check what atoms are present and where they are present in a particular unit cell. So here A atoms present at corners. We know corners contribution is 1 by 8, and here we know a cube has 8 corners, so 1 by 8 is the contribution of one corner and 8 corners are there. So 8A into 1 by 8, that gives 1, and next one, and B atoms present at face centers. So there are 6 faces. So face centers are 6, and contribution at each face center is 1 by 2. So we know 6 faces, 6 into B into 1 by 2. That gives rise to 3 times. So 3B, here 1A, and C atoms present at edge centers. So here 12 edges are present and contribution is 1/4. At each edge center, the atom's contribution is 1 by 4th to the particular unit cell. So there are 12 edge centers and 1 by 4th is the contribution. So here 12 by 4, that is 3. So 3. Here the simplest formula is A1, B3 and C3. This is the simplest formula of that particular unit cell. Here we can also write this one as AB3 and C3. AB3 and C3 is the simplest formula of this particular unit cell. So we have to remember always that a cube has 12 edges, 6 face centers and 8 corners, and the contribution at face centers is 1 by 2, at corners that is 1 by 8. So you have to remember the contribution of atoms at corners, face centers and centers. If I check the if I see if we see the next question, that is, see here, if a crystal has X atoms at center of the cube and Y atoms at corners of cube and Z atoms at face centers. See here, X at center of cube and Y atoms at corners of cube and Z atoms at face centers, and asking to find out the simplest formula. So here at each cube in each cube there is only one center. So one center, that's mean one atom belongs to complete cube. So here its contribution is 1. At corners the contribution is 1 by 8, and we know that has 8 corners in each cube. Next, there are 6 face centers and contribution at each face center is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 6, that is 3, and this will give 1 and this will give 1. So here X atoms will be 1 x1 y1 and z3. So here the simplest formula of this particular crystal unit cell or crystal lattice, uh, that will be x, y and z3. So just remember whatever the atoms present, atoms and their positions, atoms and their positions, atoms and their positions. Take the contribution and multiply with the number of positions, number of lattice points. You will get simplest formula of that particular unit cell. So in this way we can do uh, any type of questions like this. So try to do once again. If you practice well, you'll get well. That's all. Thank you.